Hey, what's up guys? It's Lukas, Kasper here again. Mural artist on YouTube, teaching you guys a whole bunch of different things. Today's gonna be real different because the challenge is gonna be painting something in 5 minutes. So I got 3 colors here, that's it. I got like my low light, my mid-tone, my highlight, and I'm gonna try to be optimistic here because I'm gonna try to paint sort of like a realistic flower shape. I'll chuck a timer up on the screen here, and pretty soon we're gonna start counting down from that 5 minutes. For the cans themselves, just so you know, I'm using Flame and NBQ. Both low pressure spray paint, but that doesn't help you too much when you're trying to paint this quick. And the cap I'm gonna be using is this one just here. It's called a Cream Skinny. They're awesome for finer details and everything like that. So I'm gonna whip my mask on here. I'm gonna chuck my phone on a little timer so I remember where I'm at. And yeah, give me 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes. Let's see the timer. Yeah, it seems like it's on point. I think it, I don't know, not the best thing ever, but what do you reckon? Turns out I didn't even need like a middle tone because I didn't have time to fill it in. Just did low light, highlight, and I guess this was the final outcome. Let's have a closer look and see how imperfect everything looks like when you actually, you're close up. So I guess if there's, one thing to learn from this is, you don't always have to obsess over the finer details. Like this from afar, from the other side of the street or whatever, if you're out there painting murals and you're painting big, it can actually look pretty nice. Maybe you want to spend a bit more than 5 minutes, maybe 10, maybe if you're crazy, spend 20. But yeah, that's it for my 5-minute challenge. Tell me what you think. If it's toy, if it's good, if it's whatever, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.